Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. We are today on CHİCKENGG. I have a 1700 token, guys. We are today on try with everything. Case battles, double, dice, limbo. I will try all of them, guys. Firstly, you want to join this site, you can use my promo code on description. Also, you can click wallet. Also, type here ACEYT. You can find on my direct link on description, guys. Let's go, we will start again. This CHİCKENGG is most profitable site to other sites because 6% extra profit chance. Also giving too much reward, guys. You can look on here. Boost, daily boost, giving 4 coins. It's 4 easy, guys. Weekly boss, also monthly boss. Game store, level cases, also giveaway claims, guys. You can look for everything. No problem. Let's go, we need to start. 4 case battle, 4-way. And I like crazy mod. I like crazy mod. Don't forget for yesterday. Okay, let's fucking go, mate. Ooh. Come on. Fader, jackpot farm, autotonic fresh. Also one stiletto and stoned paradise. 700 4-way crazy mod. I need fucking pay. Come on, 6 case. This is looking so bad. Give him egg. No. Okay, Andy. Nice. 100. Don't give me egg. Okay, nice. Andy is winning at the moment. He take the egg. Nice. Also, Madhu. Can you take egg? Madhu. Nice. 700. Nice. Madhu, take egg. Nice. We will win this. Easy. Really? $5,000? I will win? $6,000? Really, man? It's fucking crazy. I am ACEYT, guys. I say it to you first video and second video, third video, last video. Maybe I will profit second video, another video. Today we are profit 6,000, guys. It's fucking easy. It's fucking cool and it's fucking easy. Again, recreate. Oh, $5,000, man. 5,000 token, man. It's fucking crazy. Okay, win it again. Knife. Oh, 80. Mother and butchers. Take egg, bro. We are going bad. Okay, not bad. Butchers, you can take egg. I think we lost it this. No problem. We take too much money. No problem. Lost it, okay, no problem. Let's go. 4-way. I like 4-way, guys. We can try big case. 2,500. It's fucking huge. Crazy mod, 4-way crazy mod. Let's fucking go. 7 case. Just 7 case. 1 egg for nice. A 1,000, no problem. 600. Are you crazy, man? Stainless. Nice. Give him egg. Nice. Nice. What is this? 500 token? Negative. Are you fucking crazy? Karambit. 2,000. It's fucking huge for me. Okay, 400. Nice. I don't need egg. Don't give me egg, please. Don't give me egg. I win. Don't care, I win. Nice, man. 6,500. It's fucking crazy. 10,000, guys. We profit on 9,000. It's fucking crazy. Thank you for watching video. Maybe next videos we are profit too much. Also, I can show you for double For I play big. I have too much money. For bait. Also 60 coin and green. If you give me baits, I can bet on 350 on green. It's fucking huge. It's fucking huge. Ah, okay. I can show the dice. 40 coins. Lost it. 40 again. Win it. 80. Win. Okay, we can try limbo. 220. 2x. We lost it. Thank you for watching video, guys. See you later. Have a nice day. Have a nice winning. Bye bye. Cheers, guys.